So today I'm going to be showing you what happens when we go up to our property up at the Sunshine Coast. So I've just been at a memorial service for one of my relatives, and now I'm going to get ready to get everything for the horses. Let me quickly get changed. First, I've changed my earrings and I have some shorts on, and let's go.
Laptop and exhibition folder, so I can do some exhibition work while I'm up there. Now what I need to do is I need to put my laptop in my backpack. I need to grab my book and put it into my bag. My iPad ready to put into my bag. Okay, so that's in there. I have my other bags full of clothes. I need to pack my brush because this brush is like curved, so it's not hard on my head. And yeah, so that's what I have. Now time to go get the stuff for the horses. We have some cheeky horses, and my dad and my brother left the shed open. So they have gotten into the hay.
Bale down there.
They've come into the shed and wanted that hay. Not the one down there.
No.
Why? Are you eating the hay? Why are you eating the hay?
Now we sorted that out and Coco's going back. I'm going to grab my speaker, my little tiny speaker, and put it in the float. So I've got my spurs, and now I'm going to go put them in with the saddles and everything like that.
Open the tack box. And there we have all 3 saddles. And we have the ear bonnets. And we have the bridles. Now we're going to grab my spurs, and we're just going to put them over here so I know that they're there. Then I need to grab these 2 whips, a crop, and a dressage whip. And these are just going to sit in there like that. Now we need to shut this back up, and we need to grab our little tack thing and bring it around to here so we can put it in the cupboard. So we have our tack box. I'm going to put it in there. There we go. Then we get this. This is for the awning, so we can open it. Coco's running away from my brother at the moment. It's quite funny. Okay, now I need to close that. We have all 3 saddle pads here. And we have the hay. I'll probably need to top them up, but let's go.
So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to spread all this out so that when the horses wee or poo, it doesn't stain the floor. Let's go. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab these shavings, put them out on the floor so that it's all thick, and it's all thick so that the horses can't wee and it won't get everywhere. So what I'm going to be doing now is I'm going to be sweeping it all and making it look a bit nicer so that it's all in the right spots. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take this stuff out so I can sweep all this out and get rid of it so it looks a bit nicer. This so I can help get it out. out all of this because it's kind of messy. So let's get started. You guys, Sienna tries really hard on her videos, so I would like for her to get a few more subscribers and to like her videos. Thanks. I'm her sister. Sienna, you better put this in.
You're out tying him up, sweetie? You've got to get out first, okay?
Let this child out.
Oh my god, you do smell cakes. Oh no, that's Tommy just fruit.
Right.
Yeah, continue on straight, you'll look fine.
So now we are off and starting our journey. Okay, so we are now here at the farm and we're going to get the horses up.
still shake.
My mum and me just
There you can. Who had a shake?
Mr. Potato.
Mr. Potato, did you have a little shake? You're at your favourite space, hey? You right?
Georgie.
Are you right now, sweetie?
Yep.
There you go. Have a good trip.
Sorry, this is really dark though.
Boy, here we go. Well, the front, can you just have a look at the front paddock and see whether it's okay for them?
What's that?
The front paddock, see whether it's safe. Good girl.
Okay, so that is it for this week's video, and I'll see you next week. And I'm sorry I haven't been posting. It's just been really busy with the last week of school, but I promise I'll be posting as much as I can. See you next week.